With clearer images now available, the Free the Youth X Air Jordan 1 Mid reveals a story-driven collaboration rooted in culture and community. The sneaker features a premium mix of smooth leather and fuzzy suede, highlighted by a metallic silver collar. Unique details include an embroidered eagle replacing the classic Wings logo, metal star heel accents, custom Free the Youth tags, bright green laces, and illustrated insoles. Limited to just 175 friends and family pairs, this release is intentionally exclusive. The red, yellow, and blue accents reference Ghanaian identity, while green branding and an orange midsole add balance and contrast. A key symbol from Ghana's coat of arms, representing bravery and unity, takes center stage and reinforces the narrative throughout the design. Founded in 2013, Free the Youth continues to champion self-expression and community impact. Although this Air Jordan 1 Mid will never release publicly, it sends a clear message and sets the stage for the upcoming Free the Youth X Air Jordan 16 in summer 2026.